Hi, so welcome to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you some tips basically how you can optimize your campaign in the Google Ads, whether you are running a search campaign, a YouTube campaign or any other campaign in the Google Ads. This video regarding the basically audience optimizations, helping you to reduce the CPL, increasing the conversion rate, and basically helping you to less exhausting your already spending budget in the Google Ad that you are spending. So without wasting any time, let's just start with the video. So we have this campaign, basically a search campaign, and this is my demo account you can see on your screen, and we're gonna doing all these optimizations on this same campaign. Okay, so first of all what we have to do is select this campaign, and I'm gonna click here and it will take us on the ad group level. Okay, from here we have to select the audience section. So I'm going to minimize this and click here on the audience keyword and the content section. From here we have to choose the audience section. Okay, I have clicked on there. After clicking on that, we have to basically wait here, and you can see some kind of demographics, and this demographic is divided into three sections, that is age, gender and household income. And if you are already aware about this, so you can click on this expand button. After click on this expanding button, you will see these options. So basically what you have to do is, after that, from here you may be not able to see some kind of data because there is no data here, because this is our demo account, and if you have already spending amount, so you will see some kind of data here. So you have to judge all these things on the basis of that. So from here you have to judge on the basis of the conversion, like from which age bracket you are getting the most conversion. So after you check like which audience gap you are getting the most conversion, you have to keep that and exclude the other one. So let's say you are getting the most conversion out of the 18 to 44, so you have to exclude the 45 to 64. So what we have to do is just click here on the both of them and click here on the edit and exclude from the ad group, because all our targeting are on the ad group level, so we have to exclude them on the ad group level. And if you have the different or maybe multiple level of ad groups, so we have to like exclude them like again and again. It will be a manual task, so we have to do this like again. So basically from here we have to click here on the exclude from the ad group, and after clicking on the ad group you will see them turning into a red option. Okay, it's basically excluding the selected age range. Okay, it's now you can see this thing, that's a name basically excluded from the ad group, and they are already turned into a red. So we have to uncheck them, and if I'm going to show you like more option from there, you just have to click here and click on the edit. And what are the other option we are getting is basically change the bid adjustment. So let's see, like you are getting the most of the conversion out of this age bracket from 18 to 44, but you are also getting some of the conversion, maybe a minor conversion about like the 10% of your total conversion from the age range of like 65 plus. So what you can do is basically you can increase the bid amount. Like now you are saying to the Google that I want to spend more my money on the 65 plus age bracket. Like I want to spend more money here. So how we can do that? Or you want to not spend, so you can exclude. But if you want to spend more, so how you can do that? You can do that with the edit option, like change the bid adjustment. And from here you will get this option that the increment, like change the bid adjustment, and you can see this option that's called increase. And after that you will see this percentage mark, and you have to enter here like how much percent you want to increase your bid. So from here you will see these two options, like if you click on the increase button you will see a decrease as well. Like if you want to decrease the like your bid adjustment or increase a bid adjustment, from here what we are doing for now is basically increasing the bid adjustment. So we have to click here on the increasing bid adjustment and click here on the apply. So it's basically running this processing in the background, so we have to wait for a few seconds here. So now you can see this example as well, like if the already running bidding is basically 10, so now it will give our bidding from our side, it will be like the 11. Okay, so from here we have to uncheck this, and you can see this on the bid adjustment row, like basically a column on the bid adjustment column, that is basically plus 10%. And we can do the changes for other as well. From here we can choose the decrease or like the increase as per the requirement. Now just click on the cancel. From now we have to select the other things. Let's explore other one. Now we have to click here on the gender one. Now suppose you are getting the most of your conversion from the male section, or you have some kind of other, like just assume that you have some kind of specific beauty kind of product that you want to show your ads only to the female specific audience. So what you will do in this case, you have to basically exclude the male and the unknown thing. Okay, just click on the edit and click here on the exclude from the ad group, and now you are done with the excluding the gender. Yes, basically excluding gender. And you can do the other thing as well, change the max CPC bit, or we will talk about all of this thing because they have to talk, like we have to talk all of this in a bit more detail, so we will talk in other video. Let's uncheck all of this. Now let's talk about the household income. You will see this option in the household income, like if you are targeting the all of this. So by nature, or by default, if you are running a search campaign, you are targeting all of the age ratio from the starting. And if you want to do the optimization, so you have to do the targeting to the B precisely. So how you can do that, basically you have to exclude all of this. If you are basically selling a high ticket product, but I don't think so people are selling the high ticket product from the search campaign, because search campaign are basically mostly running for the local businesses who just want the phone call, or the other things like booking the appointment and some other things. Okay, let's exclude this one as well, excluding this one, and we are done with this one as well. And now let's suppose you are done with the search campaign optimization, and now let's assume you are running basically a YouTube campaign, and how you will do the optimization for that. So you will also have another thing that's called, if you are running a YouTube campaign, you are basically targeting some kind of audience that you have already created, like a custom audience, and you have already created an audience in the audience background. So at that case, you will see an extra options from here. It's called exclusion. And what you can do here, you can just click on the exclusion part, click on the ad group, and from the ad group, you can basically select the audience that you have created. And you can do this thing. Let's say basically you are running a campaign, and you have to target the people this is basically a 30-day age range, and people who have seen your ad in the 30 days age bracket. Okay, 30 days bracket, time bracket. And let's say you want to show your ad to the people who are older than the 15 days, older than the 12 weeks. You have already shown your first ad to the 30 days time period people, and now you want to show another ad people who are older than the 2-week audience. So how you can do that? You can basically create two audience, the 30 days, and the second one is basically 2 week. So now what you have to do is basically exclude this 2-week audience from here, and your ad will be shown to the people only who are older than the basically 2 week. This is how you can do that, and this is how you can retarget the people in the another way. This is the thing that I'll do basically personally for the clients basically, and that's it. Hope this video helped, and if you find this video helpful, or if you basically find this video any kind of helpful, or any kind of information you find it helpful, you can do consider like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.